Hello children, today we will start with lesson 3 subtraction part number 4. Today's topic is rounding numbers. So we will see how to round up a number to its nearest tens. Let me give you an example. I will take two numbers. First one 24. Which is the nearest tens to 24? And next number 28. Which is the nearest number to 28? So to explain it properly, I will make a number line. So children, we will see the nearest 10. So we will have to start from 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. To see the nearest 10, let me put the place value first. To see the nearest 10, we have to see the ones place. Okay, we have to see the ones place. Let us see. We will start from 2 tens, that is 20, to 3 tens, that is 30. Within these tens, we are getting 24 and 28. So which one is the middle one? 25. So you see 25, we will put the place value. As I have told, we have to see the ones place. So if the number is less than 5, okay, in ones place, it will go to the left side, that is your 2 tens or 20. It is known as your rounded down. It is known as your rounded down. And from, if it is having more than 5 in ones place, then it will go to your right side, that is 3 tens or 30, which is known as your rounded up. Okay, now we will see both the number. First we will see 25. If the ones place is 5, then it will go to the next tens. That means 30. 2 plus 1, that will be 3, means it is 3 tens. Okay. As I have given question 24. So 4 is in ones place. So it will go to your, and it is less than, this 4 is less than your 5. So it will go to rounded down to 20. So it will be previous 10. Previous tens place. That means what you are having in tens place, it will be same. That is 2 tens or 20. And if it is, we will take the another question 28. The ones place is more than 5. So I have told you 5, the ones, the digit like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which are in ones place, it will go up to the next tens. So 8 is greater than 9, so it will go to greater than 5, so it will go to the next tens. That is, you will have to add 2. 2 is in tens place, so we will add 1. So it will be 3 tens or 30. So what is the answer? If it is less than 5, you will have the same tens place, that is 2 tens, so we will write 20. And if it is more than 5, we will have to add plus 1 to the tens place, so 2 plus 1, that is 30. So the answer will be 3 tens, that is 30. Let me solve some more question from the book. See, it is written exercise 10, round the following number to the nearest 10. So we will take 16. You have to see the ones and tens place. I have told you, if one place is less than 5, then it will having the same tens. And if it is more than 5, since 6 is more than 5, the 1 tens will be added plus 1, so it will be 2 tens, that is 20. Okay, let's do some another number like 52. See, ones place is 2, and since 2 is less than 5, you will have the same tens, that is 5 tens, so it is 50. Let me tell you one which is having 5 in its number. So 65, put the place value. See, ones is 5, 5 is in ones place, so if it is 5, then the tens place will be added plus 1, so it will become 7 tens, or it will be 70. Hope children you understood. If you have not understood, you listen to the video again properly and do the complete the exercise. Next, you see estimating sum and difference. As we have estimated or rounded off the number, as we know how to round it up, we have to add or we have to subtract the numbers. So what to do? See, 41 is given. We will see the ones and tens place. See, 1 is less than 5, and I have told you if it is less than 5, the tens place will be same, so it will be 40. Here you see ones place 6 is there, and 6 is more than 5, so the tens place will be added plus 1, so it will be 3 tens, so it become 30. So the answer will be 70. And you can add this one also. 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6. Let me do some more question. Let's do some subtraction one. First you put the place value. Then you see 2 is in ones place and 2 is less than 5, so we will have the same tens, so it will be 60. Down you see 49, 9 in ones place and 9 is greater than 5, so the tens place will be added plus 1, so it will be 4 plus 1, that is your 5 tens 50. Now you have to subtract it, borrow it, 12, here remain 5, here it comes 3, and 5 minus 4, 1, and here it is 0, 6 minus 5, that is 1. Children, you have to complete this exercise in the book itself. Thank you.